why are we doing it? Like, why are we bothering spending the time and effort to create these podcasts and to try to educate the renewable energy sector? And I suppose from Greenwood's perspective, we've always been one of those companies that has tried to be a little bit different. And I know everyone says that, but we really have. Like, we do everything in-house, and the logical thought is, why don't we teach what we learn as well? Why don't we pass it on? Because we have no issues with doing that. Honestly, we pass on probably 95%, if not more, of what we learn on each project that we do. And I'll tell you what we're learning. We're making mistakes like everyone, but without those mistakes, how do you learn? I'm fairly old and probably at the, towards the end of my career, but I want to learn stuff every day. And if I'm not learning stuff every day, I'm not there. I'm not at Greenwood. But luckily, I'm allowed to sort of do what I want to do in regards to that learning. So I'm learning and I'm passing on what I learn, because I think to myself, if I just learn it and don't pass it on, then it only really benefits me. I find it difficult being in front of the camera. What you see on the training is, I won't say heavily edited, but there's a lot of takes. There's a lot of takes. Double handling, moving stuff.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's really rewarding when you have an idea that you think others will find interesting and you convey it hopefully in a palatable way, and then they get something out of it. Because my aim, really, my personal aim, is that if someone does one of the training presentations that we offer, and there's a few of them, and there's more coming obviously, is that they walk away and go, wow, I can actually apply that to my business. I can apply it to my business, or I can change a process within my business that was pretty rubbishy before, now it's better, or I can suddenly attack a larger project confidently because I've done this training. And if we achieve that at Greenwood, and if I achieve that personally, I'm really happy about that, genuinely happy about it. And it puts a smile on my face. The live training is the best. You're there in front of real people. They're learning from you. I invariably learn something from this training, and also they're learning from their peers. And on all the occasions that we've actually conducted the live training, even way back to pre-COVID, I've always had at least a couple of people come up to me and go, that was fantastic, I really learned a lot.
Veli, the presenter, is really, you can tell he's really, really passionate about what he's doing.
Veli definitely knows his stuff.
I've followed up with a few of them, and they've gone on to suddenly do these really, these large projects, and you can see that you've contributed to that. And that's a really good feeling for someone who likes to teach. It really is about people. These projects are just a byproduct of relationships. If you really are interested in learning some nitty-gritty information about commercial solar especially, up to 1 megawatt, check out Greenwood Academy.